Hi everyone, this is Maitri. Welcome back to one more episode of my bottle art series. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's get started with the project. For this project, I first mixed some glue and water. Then I got a newspaper cutting and pasted it on the bottle. Once the paper was glued, I sprayed some water on it. When we spray some water on a paper and then get it dried, the paper gets a nice texture, it gets little harder. And that's the exact look that I wanted in this project. Then I mixed some wood glue with black acrylic. Then I got a fabric. Here I have reused one of my old cloth that I was not using. Then I sprayed the color and glue mixture all over the fabric. You can probably use a pair of gloves for this process, as this process is definitely going to leave your hands dirty. Here I am spraying the fabric all over the bottle while making a kind of texture using the hands. I kept it for drying, and after it got dried, I glued some laces and some strings on the bottle. Then I pasted some pieces of knitted fabric on the bottle. Then I got some embellishments. Some are from my craft room, some are just from my home, some unused material, or some broken metals. I've used all of them. This is the same pebble that I used in my introduction video of my channel. I thought to reuse that pebble here. I glued all the embellishments on the bottle using a hot glue gun. For the embellishments, you can use anything available in your home. It could be a pendant, it could be a broken metal, it could be something that is you are just not using, it could be a safety pin as well. Anything will look good for this project. all embellishments were glued to the bottle, I applied gesso on the embellishments. This is a homemade gesso that I am using here. If you want to know how to make gesso at home, you can check the description below. I have given a link of a video where I have explained how to make gesso at your home. Once the gesso was dried, I applied some golden metallic color using a sponge dauber. Then I glued a vintage key and a vintage clock. And then I finally got my decorated antique bottle. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with some more interesting and some more colorful projects. Till then, bye bye.